I'm in the process of reassembling the dash for my Chevy, and I have installed the glove box door, and it has a keyed latch so I can lock it. Came in very handy. Can't get it open because it's locked. I had another Chevy 1.5 ton truck before this. Bought it back in December of 95. Did a lot of work to it, restored it and all that stuff, and it had a keyed latch in it. See, now it's unlocked. How's that? That's nice. When I would go to displays and shows, you know, I'd carry all the documents in the glove box. You know, keep my driver license, insurance papers, tune-up parts. Those are always good in an emergency. And, you know, here's the glove box. I'm going to install that next. But, you know, we humans are curious by nature, and one of the things that that we do is we just go ahead and snoop. And I caught someone in my glove box once because I had forgotten to lock it. So, unlocked, locked, can't get it open, keep the snoopers out. So I still have to get a little bumper for here and for here. That'll help, you know, help keep it from rattling around while I'm rolling down the road. Because it's been a while since I've painted this, I am going to scuff it and shoot it again. I have some little scratches here and some down here. It's not a big deal. And so I'm going to install the glove box next, and it's a little fiddly, so we're going to end this video here and see what I can do. Okay, got the glove box back in, and you know, it's a little tricky one-handed, so I've had to use this adapter on my 1/4-inch drive ratchet so I could reach the screws inside here. And that's most annoying. And there are a couple on the top. There. And there. And then these on the sides were quarter 20 nuts and bolts, but they broke, so I'm having to use an Allen head screw, which is still 1/4 20, and a nut on the inside, which is fine. It's a nylock nut. You won't ever see it. It'll it's hidden, and because it has a nylon ring in it, it won't come loose. Same as a lock one. So I'm happy with the way the glove box door closes, and just for exercise, let's put the instrument cluster in just for a moment. See what the entire dash is going to look like. So the hole where my thumb is where the temperature gauge goes, and that's off being repaired. And love that little bolt there. We'll get to that. So this little assembly here, bullet shaped light fixture, just pops in there and just shines light down onto the speedometer, and then the holes there and there will shine light onto the other 4 instruments. So pretty happy. I'm wanting to get the dash installed soon, so it's not sitting around getting scratched, and I'm going to keep moving forward. Thanks for looking. Okay, so I've finished installing everything on the dash that needs to go there. The glove box is secure. This is the center support for the dash. This end will attach to the firewall, as this end will on this support. On the other side here is the collar for the steering column. Once everything gets all attached, this area here and here, and then there are 6 screws that are attached across the top of the dash to the front of the windshield frame. I can get this dash installed tomorrow. Little note on the tent heater. I just tipped the jerry can up last night when I was finished and let the fuel run through the delivery hose, the fuel line, into the regulator, and I left it in the on position. Looks like number 6 is the most efficient, and all I did was let the fuel burn out. The cool down time is a lot faster, obviously. Instead of having a bed of coals in there and having to wait for them to die out over an hour, hour and a half, the cool down time is 15-20 minutes tops, and it keeps this little garage / work area pretty warm. There's the driver door, inner door panel. It's steel too. Oh yeah. And I got something in the mail today. What did I do with them? Yeah, they're here somewhere. I got 5 rubber isolation pads, anti-vibration pads. They're made from recycled tires, and they go underneath the forward cab mounts on the left and right hand side of the cab. So a little while ago I got the cab secured. It's all bolted down. Oh, this may be too dark to see, but let's just try. Yeah, it's too dark. Door still closes perfectly, and so I'm just wrapping it up. I gotta take my old, I think this one is as old as I am, the V-Series Craftsman wrenches. I believe started in 1964. I gotta check the serial number, but it needs a tune-up inside, so I gotta take it apart and find out what's going on in there. But anyway, I'm happy with the success today. That's about all I got. Hope everybody has a great day. Happy New Year, and thanks for watching my video. Later.